Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a room on the Caesar Rewards application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the stay button down below, which is the second option. Click on book a room at the top of the page and select your destination. Here you can find the available options, and here you can see the hotels or the options you can choose from. Here you can see the resort, the pictures attached to the top, the lowest rate. You can see hotel highlights and tap on make a reservation at the bottom of the page. Here you should wait a few seconds till it loads, and then you will be able to select the date. Here you can select a date, the check-in and check-out date. Tap on choose nights. Here you can see amenities and other details concerning the resort. Here you can see the available rooms. Tap on the relevant one you're interested in. Click on see rates. Tap on continue to book if you are satisfied with the details. Tap on continue to payment in the middle of the screen, and then you can tap on the deposit due now button. Here you can add guest information including your name, email, phone number, date of birth, billing address, and then you can select the method of payment and finalize the process of the reservation. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.